everyone. Welcome to our live stream. I'm your friend Iris from YITAI. YITAI is professional in die making machines and materials. We belong to Grand Cup Group, which has over 40 years experience in die making industry. We have rich experience and provide our machines and materials over 100 countries. So, Iris today will show our hot cell machine, the laser cutting machine for you. Behind me is our laser cutting machine with power 1900 watts. We have different models like 600, 400, 1000, 1500, and 2000, and even 1900 and 2500 watt. So you can choose whatever you like, depends on your requests. The machine, we can have a flat table and a rotary table. So the machine can meet all the die makers' requests for flat die and rotary die production. Today, we show details of our flat laser machine. Firstly, you can see this is the table. We have table size 4 + 8 feet. We also can customize the size, depends on customers' request. For example, we can widen the size. For example, 1.5 meters if your plywood width is bigger, and the length is 2.4 meters. We are using the high technology, the PA system from German. The language can be English and Chinese both. We also update the other languages like Russian and Spanish in future. So the buttons all can be connect, and also we can control by the mouse. With this PA system, we can cut 5 different lines at the same time. 1.5, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point meters of thickness. Different lines can make in the same time, just setting in our software. And you can see here is our new design cutting head with the auto flow and anti-collision function. If the plywood you have is not in the same level, the cutting feet will cut according to the different level to make sure the cutting precision. Inside we have the focus lens and the reflector mirrors. You see the pin, we are using special design, and it's very easy to exchange if for a long time use. Just screw it, and so very easy to change a new one. Under the table, we will put one anti-fire board to protect the cutting table when cutting, because everyone knows the laser light will cut through the plywood and have the fire on the table. So with this anti-fire board, we will protect the table for a long time span. And this loading system, even a big size plywood can be loaded easily. Load easily because the the plywood we are using 4 plus 8 feet. It's very big, and if without this system, it's very hard to put it on. So with this, even a lady also can put the plywood very easily and convenient. 再来一遍，再来一遍。Show one more time. 咦，让开，手让开。哦 ，You see? 这个还有这边，这一块一起的，它是刚刚一起动的。Okay. So next, I would like to show our auto clamping system here. One button click. 呀，摁上这个，摁这个。One button click. 摁这个。One button click will be clamp the plywood tightly. And even a small size plywood also can install. Because sometimes after cutting on the table, on the plywood, we will leave a small empty waste paper, waste plywood. So if we want to make a small die, we can use this size to connect here. 小板夹来演示。We have this system. Even a small plywood like 25 centimeter plus 25 centimeter can be connected tightly in our table. Okay. So our machine is connected to the ladder power 1900 watt. It is a tri-pump laser generator with a higher speed and very electronic air saving. You can see over there is our laser source. So for shipment, we will ship one cutting bed and one laser source. After installation, our engineer will help to location the place and connect the two parts with one stainless tube. Our machine can cutting in two mass ways, continuous cutting and pulse cutting. So let our engineer show the cutting effect to you. when cutting, we have a very good function for sucking the smoke. There is no smoke leaking outside when cutting. It will protect the cutting environment of the factory. 远远拍的，动静。Okay. For shipment of our machine, we will ship it in a 40-feet container. If you have any inquiries about our laser machine, please feel free to contact us. If you need different power, just freely ask us. We have different power like 400 watt, 600 watt, 1000, 1500, 1900, 2000 and 2500 watts. And we also have the table with different size. 4 plus 8 feet is the normal table. If you want wider, then we'll make wider. Engineer showing different line cutting at the same time. The 2-point line, 3-point line, and 4-point line. We also have the quick marking system. It's optional to make the logo, engraving it in very quick way. You see, total 3 fans here to suck the smoke when we're cutting. It protects the environment very well. And besides the cutting table and laser generator, we will also ship the water chiller together. And if customer needed the air supply for the compression and air dryer, it will be suggested to buy in locally. Today we just show our big power laser like 1900 watt. So just now you have checked the cutting effect. For one more time to check the cutting, I will ask our engineer to show. 再切一遍，哟，再切一遍，再切一个复杂一点的行吗？ The spare parts, we are all used the imported one. For screw, we are using 50mm thickness diameter to ensure the precision. Other company may use just the 20 or 30mm. And in the body structure, we are fully covered. The total machine weight is almost 4 tons. It can stand 2 young men inside on the top. The laser cutting head has anti-collision function. If some problem is happening to the joint or the plywood, it will falling down directly to stop cutting in case any waste of the plywood. And after setting correctly, it will cut at the same point, same stop point to save the plywood.光。不是卡住，这里弄起来，这里没弄掉。
直接拔出来，没那个东西。
完了，口坏了。You see, the cutting is very evil and same on the same. The cutting curve very tight. We can test by one rule. 有尺吗？有刀子吗？刺。The small punctures and different cutting. 脉冲跟那个连续波能切一段？
这个连续波吗？
哪里啊？
这个不是连续波吗？这个
脉冲呢？你先把刀给我，我要自己砍。2P 的啊。
没痒，但太松了。
要垂直吗？
对呀。
Okay, we show different cutting way. We have pulse cutting and continuous cutting. Just now we are showing the continuous cutting. Sometimes customer need more tough curve. We will use the pulse cutting. We'll show. 就切一段就好了，别切太多。You see the power and the speed. 走。好。You see, curve very tight. 哦，
就是一点一点的哈。
点状切。OK， 你待会从这里转一圈，然后看一下整个机身。Our machine is fully covered, so it will protect the machine in a good way. You see the power here? It's fully covered. This is our turbine pump to suck the smoke outside. The power is 3 kilowatt. And here is our electronic path. It will marked very well and clean for easy maintenance. All the spare parts are imported. For this option, we can move it like this way for easier checking and maintenance. Move. See? Okay. That's all. Thank you for watching today's live show. I'm your friend Iris from YITAI. Don't forget, we are not professional in laser machine, but also for the bender, sample cutter. Warmly welcome to consult from us. We are always here. Bye-bye.